Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for taxes. First, gather all your financial documents, like income statements and receipts. Next, choose the best filing method for your situation, whether it's software or a professional. Finally, complete your return accurately and submit it on time to the IRS. This simple approach helps ensure a smooth tax season. To begin, you'll need to collect key documents. This includes your Form W-2 from employers and any Form 1099 statements for other income, like interest or dividends. Don't forget records for potential deductions, such as student loan interest or medical expenses. Having everything organized upfront makes the entire process much smoother and less stressful. Next, decide how you want to file. Many people use tax software, which guides you step by step and performs calculations. If your taxes are more complex, a professional can offer expert advice. For simpler returns, you might qualify to file directly with the IRS for free. Choose the method that best fits your comfort level and financial situation. Once you've entered all your information, carefully review your entire return for any errors. Make sure to sign and date all necessary forms. Submitting your return electronically is often the fastest way to get your refund, if you're due one. Always keep copies of everything you submit for your records, typically for at least 3 years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.